Hey friends, Scott Holmes here, back at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you another 2024 24 SX swingback. This boat has the smooth, glossy anthracite main color panel with a flat black accent. This boat's 24 foot overall, has the full SPS tri-tune package. And here, let me walk along to the back. I really want to show you guys some of the features back here in the back of the boat before we get inside. This boat does have the extended aft deck, ski tow bar, 250 horsepower motor, the lily pad ladder. It's even got the strap to pull it back in. It's spring assisted. Here's that swing back seat I was telling you guys about. So right now we've got it facing inwards for an L wraparound bench. Flip the seat, and now you've got a nice rear facing bench with cup holders. Very easy to switch back and forth. Take a look at our dash. We have the 9-inch Simrad Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. The throttle's located right alongside you for a nice, comfortable riding position. Two huge forward chase benches with portable cup holders. Look how they wrap around to give you very versatile rear seating arrangement as well. I forgot to mention this on the other boat, but this boat's part of our specials. We're selling this boat for $79,999 boat and motor. That's with that 250 horsepower. And you'd have plenty of room to get all your friends and family on here and tube, wakeboard, ski, and have plenty of power. Come take a look at it and all the other boats we got here at MarineMax in Greenville, located right here on the northbound side of 85. Looking forward to showing you guys everything we have to offer. Thank you.